Hello everyone, Mark here, and today's going to be a slightly different video unfortunately. Basically I bought this drone off of eBay and I'm very unhappy with it. The drone is not as advertised and the eBay seller wanted me to do a video just telling him the problems and issues that I've got with this drone, and then hopefully we can sort it out. So basically I ordered an Eachine E58 drone off of eBay and it's come, and basically I'm really unhappy. It's not actually a real Eachine E58 drone, and I'll show you that a bit more, but more importantly there's parts missing on this drone, so hopefully the eBay seller is going to understand that and compensate me by giving me a refund, or at least a partial refund anyway. So first thing we'll do, let's quickly show you the drone itself so I can actually show you everything that's wrong with this drone. So let's open up the arms. Now straight away, as you can see, there is no landing legs on this drone. This drone is meant to have landing legs. As you can see there, you got the little portholes, and then you're meant to have landing legs coming off. I will put a picture in the left hand corner showing you the landing legs that are meant to be on this drone. Also, I bought what is meant to be a 5 megapixel version, which is strange anyway because the Eachine don't do a 5 megapixel. They only do a 0.3 and a 2 megapixel. But any Eachine drone has a massive lens. This has a tiny little lens, just proving that this is a clone, but also a 0.3 megapixel camera, which is once again not what I ordered. Underneath you're meant to have a micro SD card slot. Now that on this drone is just a hole. There is nothing inside there. You can't physically insert an SD card in there. If you do, you will lose that SD card. Basically you cannot record video footage from your drone and store it on an SD card. So very disappointed. The rear side of the drone, a true Eachine E58 drone, is meant to have a rectangle LED panel. This just has a 3mm LED light. Once again, just proving that this is not a real Eachine drone. Now I've checked the bags, there's no landing legs in there. All I've got is the prop guards, the charging cable and spare propellers. Now once again, just proving that this is not a true Eachine E58 drone is the transmitter. As you can see, the transmitter has different trademarks on the top and the buttons are positioned incorrectly to a true Eachine E58 drone. In the top left hand corner I will put a picture showing you what a true Eachine E58 controller is meant to look like. The manual as well, once again, just proves it's not a real Eachine E58. You've got a totally different model number, and even the app itself, this uses a different app to what I'm noticing an Eachine E58 drone actually uses. Now putting aside that this is not even an original, at the end of the day I don't mind, but what I can't let go is the fact that there is parts missing. The fact that these legs are missing on this drone, that's something that I can't just forget about. That is not right. And the fact that this is a 0.3 megapixel camera, whereas I ordered a 2 megapixel camera, or 5 according to them, and the fact that this has got no micro SD card slot. So hopefully the seller understands all the issues and the reason why I'm not happy, and compensates me in some way by either giving me a full refund and I'll send it back, or just give me a partial refund, because at the end of the day you shouldn't buy something from a shop and then receive something that's not as advertised. That is just not on. So that's it for this one, guys. Sorry about the video, it's a bit different, a bit of a rant today, but yeah, I just needed to get this video done. So happy seeing, guys. Take care. Bye bye.